In this video, we're going to look at night shift on iPhone. We'll start by breaking down what it does and how it may actually have some health benefits. Then we'll dive into how to set it up properly and how to find the handy shortcut which most people miss. If you've ever noticed your iPhone screen turns slightly warmer or more orange in the evening, that's night shift in action. The goal of night shift is to reduce blue light coming from your screen. Blue light is believed to cause strain on the eyes and potentially even interfere with your body's natural sleep signals. Switching to warmer colors at night can make your screen more comfortable to look at and minimize impact to your sleep cycle. For many people, it simply feels easier on the eyes when using their phone in a darker environment. Let's walk through how to turn it on. From your home screen, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Now select Night Shift. This page contains all of the controls for the feature. At the top, you'll see the option Scheduled. If you enable this, your iPhone can automatically turn night shift on and off each day. Toggle this on, and then tap the new menu that appears below. The first option allows your phone to automatically activate night shift from sunset to sunrise, based on your location. So the blue light will be reduced automatically at nighttime, and then it will return to normal during the day. The second option lets you set a custom schedule, where you choose the exact start and end time. For example, you might prefer night shift to turn on at 9 p.m. and switch off at 7 a.m. Just set the times that work best for you. On the previous page, we have an option to manually enable until tomorrow. If you turn this on, night shift will activate immediately and remain on until the next morning. If there is no schedule enabled, this will be a once-off, and you will need to toggle it on again tomorrow if you needed it. Moving down the page, you'll see a color temperature slider. This gives us the ability to control how warm the display becomes when night shift is enabled. If you've created a schedule, your iPhone will use whatever color temperature you set here when it becomes enabled. Dragging the slider toward more warm will create a stronger orange tone and reduce blue light, while moving it toward less warm keeps the colors closer to normal. This part really comes down to personal preference, so it's worth adjusting until it feels comfortable for your eyes. Now here's a faster way to access night shift that many people miss. Instead of opening settings each time, you can toggle night shift directly from Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Now press and hold on the brightness slider. This expands the display controls. At the bottom of this panel, you'll see the night shift button. Tapping this will instantly turn the feature on or off without needing to open the Settings app, making it much quicker to enable whenever you need it. Notice that any active schedule will be respected at the next transition, kind of like a manual override that will then return to normal programming. And that's all there is to it. Night shift is a simple feature, but it can make a noticeable difference if you use your phone frequently at night. If there are other iPhone features you'd like us to walk through, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to help us bring them to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.